Creating slides with Canva is a game changer for anyone looking to make visually appealing presentations without needing a design degree. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to canva.com and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice a plethora of templates available. This is where the magic begins. You can search for presentation in the template search bar and you'll find a variety of styles, everything from corporate to creative, minimalist to vibrant. Choose one that resonates with your topic and audience. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it. Click on the text boxes to edit the content. Keep your text concise and impactful. Use bullet points to break down complex information, making it easier for your audience to digest. Remember, slides are meant to complement your speech, not replace it. So, avoid overcrowding your slides with too much text. Next, let's talk about visuals. Canva has an extensive library of images, icons, and illustrations. You can upload your own images or choose from their stock photos. When selecting visuals, ensure they are relevant to your content and enhance your message. A well-placed image can convey a concept faster than words ever could. Now, consider the color scheme. Canva allows you to change colors easily. Stick to a palette that aligns with your brand or the theme of your presentation. Consistency is key here. Use 2 to 3 main colors throughout your slides to create a cohesive look. Don't forget about fonts. Canva offers a variety of font options, but it's best to stick to 2 or 3 complementary fonts. Use one for headings and another for body text. Make sure your font size is large enough to be read from a distance, especially if you're presenting in a large room. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to add transitions and animations. This feature can help keep your audience engaged. You can animate text or images to appear in a way that feels dynamic and professional. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too many animations can be distracting. After you've finalized your slides, it's time to present or share. Canva allows you to download your presentation in various formats, including PDF and PowerPoint. You can also present directly from Canva, which is super convenient. If you're sharing it online, consider using the Share Link feature, which allows others to view your slides without needing to download anything. Lastly, always remember to review your slides. Check for typos, ensure your visuals are aligned, and confirm that everything flows logically. A polished presentation reflects professionalism and attention to detail. And there you have it. With Canva, creating stunning slides is not only easy, but also enjoyable. You can unleash your creativity while ensuring your message is clear and engaging. Happy designing!